how to make digital magazine in Canva. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can make digital magazine in Canva. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account with Canva, you could also use my affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Canva, it is a user-friendly graphic design platform that allows individuals and businesses to create a wide variety of visual content without requiring advanced design skills, in which Canva provides a vast library of customizable templates for social media posts, presentations, infographics, and more, along with a rich collection of royalty-free images, graphics, and fonts. And now to create an account, just click the link in the description, and after signing in, you will be directed on this homepage of Canva. And from here, you can simply go to the search bar of Canva and go and search for a specific template in here. But at this point, I'm going to search newsletter since we're trying to make a digital magazine. So kindly click on this result in here, and upon clicking on it, you will now be able to see here all of the result of template that you can choose from. And as you can see in here, some of these templates are offered for free, but some of them are needed for you to have an upgrade account to use it, or you need to have a pro account in here to use those kind of template. So to filter all of these free template, just click this all filters, and on the left side panel, under this price, kindly click this free and click apply to proceed. Then you will now be able to see here all of the free template that is offered. So let's say I'm going to choose this one. Then click customize this template button right here to proceed. But it will show in here the overview of it. Then you will now be able to be directed on this Canva, where you can start customizing this template in here. You can also start zooming in to see the clear view about the elements that this template contain. So from here, you can start selecting any of this template, including this text, the background, the image, and many more. And as you can see, we have here 2 pages. But at this point, I'm going to select this text, and I'm going to enter or type on my keyboard, magazine now. But that is depending on what kind of context you want to input in here. And if you also want to change the font style of it, kindly click on it again and simply choose the font style on the top panel, and it will show you on the left side panel in here some of the font that you can choose from. And upon choosing or selecting to any of this font, it will show you that the context font has now been changed from time to time. So let's say we can simply browse or explore different kind of font in here, but I'm going to choose this one right here. And now after customizing the context, you could also start customizing these images, wherein you can simply click on the left side panel in the upload section to upload a computer files or photo from your computers in here. Or alternatively, you could also use the element section on the editing tools to customize or change this kind of image in here. And for the background color, I'm going to select, for example, some of the color palette in here to choose from. But if you also want to choose gradient, you can do so by clicking on it. And now as you can see, the background color has now been changed. We could also do the same one on this page by clicking on it again, clicking the background color, and then this palette in here. So after it has now been changed, you could also add here a page if you want to by clicking this add page button right here, and it will automatically add a blank page. And by clicking the design on the left side panel, we can add here more templates in here to choose from. So by selecting here, for example this one, you'll be able to see here that the template has now been added on our Canva. So you could also add more page in here if you want to and choose different kind of page again. So as you can see, we have now successfully created or add a total of 4 templates in here. And now to start customizing, for example, the style of it, we can simply choose different kind of color palettes that you prefer. For example, at this point, I'm going to choose this one. Well, alternatively, if you want to make it, for example, green, you can simply click on it again and again until you find the color green. But I'm going to use, for example, this color palettes, and now as you can see, it is now on my likings. And I can also do the same process or same thing with the same design or palettes that I use on the same page. Moving on, we could also add here another one or customize this palette. So basically, you can start customizing using the design option or editing tools that you can find on the left side panel on your magazine that you are creating. And now as you can see, it is now applied all of the color palettes in here. But if you also want to customize the context in here, you can simply highlight this one or start customizing, for example, to make it bigger or to make it smaller. You can also make it bold, italic, change the alignment a bit, and many more. But if you also want to add additional text, you can do so by clicking the text option on the left side panel, and you can simply add here a text box, a heading, subheading, and many more. So that is just basically how you can start adding a context. And now let's proceed by customizing or replacing the images using the elements option on the left side panel, and on the search bar I'm going to enter, for example, fashion. And it will show us all of the results below here, some of the photos, but I'm going to click here or drag the photo that is offered for free. Let's say this one, or by clicking this, you could also start cropping it or change the location or the view of it. So you could also do the same process on the same page in here. So just scroll down, simply choose a image that you want to replace. Again, just do the same process on the next page until you are satisfied with the result. Let's say this one. And also I'm going to drag this picture into here. Moving on to the next page, we could also start customizing the background of it by choosing the images that is offered for free. Since if we click or choose the image that is offered for premium account, you still need to upgrade your account in order to use those kind of photo. And as you can see, we've now successfully replaced some of these picture or images using the elements tools. But aside from images, you could also add here different kind of graphic design such as shape, graphics, EA image generator, and many more, and even videos and stickers. And now to successfully save the changes in here, we can start publishing or downloading this magazine that we just created or customize the template. So to do that, kindly click the share button on the top right corner to proceed. And upon clicking on it, just proceed by clicking the download button below here. And from here, it will show you different kind of file type, but just click or choose this PDF standard. Then click the download button below here to proceed downloading this magazine that we just created. And in order to make it a flipbook, or for the viewers to access it like they're actually reading a magazine physically, we could also use this platform issue.com, wherein it offers for free to start creating a flipbook by only uploading the file in here. So all you need to do is simply convert PDFs into flipbooks and many more. By clicking this upload file, just proceed by simply uploading the file type of PDF that we just downloaded from Canva. And after that, all you need to do is wait for it to load, since it is currently processing and transforming it into a flipbook. And after that, you will now be able to see here that your file is now being converted. Then it will show you what it looks like in here, in which you can preview this as flipbook, embed, articles, and many more. But by choosing this flipbook, it will show you in here what it looks like. And if you click this next page icon, it will show you that the pages has now been flipped, which is more likely as you are reading a magazine in real life. So from here, you could also simply publish it, but you also need firstly to create your own account in here to start downloading this flipbook. But overall, that is just basically how you can make digital magazine in Canva. Thank you.